Mike here with Atlas Rim Repair. Going to be working on a Tesla 2018. It's got pretty severe curb rash all the way around the wheel. Plus this wheel's been sprayed with tire shine. So we're going to wipe some of that off so some of my dust doesn't stick. You can see somebody's taken probably like a paintbrush and filled that in, or they fell for one of those AI videos where that little paint pen magically repairs your wheel to 100% brand new. It doesn't actually work. But let's go ahead and start grinding this damage out while I'm getting set up. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, maybe checking out the links below to the products and tools I use. I'll get grinding on this. Got some pretty serious factory finish failure here where it's chipping away. Plus there's a gouge in it right there. So we're gonna have to try to grind that out. And the red disc isn't gonna cut it. So let's switch up real quick to a 60 grit. We're gonna have to go pretty deep on this one. Get rid of these edges here. Pull this back a little farther. All right, and we'll clean that up a little better with the red disc. Alright, then we're going to switch to the sander. We're going to go with a 220 grit on this one because there's pretty heavy grinder marks, especially in here. Also got a bunch of overspray from the failed DIY attempt. I need to try to, I'll probably just scuff that and paint over it. It just looks horrible right now. get a fresh sheet of 220 to get this a little better. It's still got a little valley in it. Then we'll take our 1500 grit scuff pad. I'll just clean this or scuff this as best we can. We want to get as much of this overspray from the DIY attempt scuffed as possible. A lot of it's just coming right off. So with that tire shine on the wheel, it just makes all our dust stick. These are one of those wheels you'd never want to do, because not only does the DIY attempt make it harder to fix, but the tire shine on the entire wheel makes it hard to clean. You got to clean it before you can paint it. So we'll get as much of this dust off as we can. We'll go with that. We got the black paint here. This is linked in the description below also. And then we'll cover that with clear coat. All right, so that took about twice as long as it should have, and it didn't come out as good as it would have if nobody would have ever touched it previously, but that's what we can do.